Hydrogen Hyperion XP1. And technical the Hydrogen Hyperion XP1 is a hypercar that advocates for a more sustainable future while simultaneously breaking new ground in terms of speed. Impressive 0 to 60 of 2.2 seconds and a top speed 221 miles per hour make the XP1 a prime example of the possibilities offered hydrogen power. Propulsion system is an assertion about the potential of hydrogen as an environmentally friendly energy source for the automobile sector, not only because of its raw speed. A carbon-uranium monocoque chassis and an aerodynamic, straight profile give the X an aesthetic and practical. A high-volt fuel cell and flux motors enable this vehicle to more than simply drive, and also glide. The technology, however, without cost. A limited edition mass, the Hyperion XP1, it's almost $2 million. It's more than vehicle. It represents transportation's past and its potential future. Kiteboat SP-80. A revolutionary the SP-80 to shatter the record for sailing speed. The SP is an ambitious record breaker, dreamed up by a group of enthusiastic engineer students at Switzerland's prestigious ETH Los Angeles. Its speed is 150 kilometers per hour. The 20 initiative was launched by Xavier Leperc, Ben Gaudio, and Mayol van with the excitement of surfing and sailing. In order to withstand the tremendous loads at speeds, the SPT takes design cues for boats and is crucial for breaking through the wind sports and time technology. Rezvani Vengeance. Fearsome luxury SUV. The Rezvani Vengeance blends top-tier luxury with military-grade defense. The Vengeance has a roomy interior that can accommodate 7 people and start $205,000. It's standard with an 8 engine, bulletproof glass, explosive protection for the underside, and an electromagnetic pulse protection system are part of the optimal bulletproof package, which is ideal for individuals who want an extra layer of security. Interior features such as heat-ventilated leather seats, panoramic sunroof, and cutting-edge technology such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear-view HD camera are just remarkable as the exterior. A ram bumper and winch are available for the Vengeance, which adds functionality and style to its formidable appearance. Each Vengeance is as special as its owner thanks to the customizable features, which can drive up the price to as much as $782,250 for the fully armored variant. Starliner SL25. Redefining the concept of living, the Starliner SL25 is an engineering marvel and a luxury motorhome. The Swiss company Maurer Fahrzeuge AG has created an automobile that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly practical. With a GRP monobody and 2 sliders, the 2019 SL25 series provides a spacious area that can be further expanded with a 3rd slider or a garage, and it is constructed on a sturdy 1.5-ton Iveco daily chassis. The Starliner SL25's interior is a haven of relaxation with 2 queen-size beds, a full bathroom, fully stocked kitchen, and a living area furnished with high accents. It's a mobile house that prioritizes storage and LED stylish. Voice Smartwatch. Outstanding new product. The Voice Smartwatch combines a smart useful features with phone. It is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE and a detachable Bluetooth headset. 1.3-inch A53 vibrant images. Bezel detach, twist and raise. The 130 mAh battery provides 3 hours of cold set. 4 different card. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot known as CentoGuard is set to shake the security sector to improve door patrol variety of terrain. Elegoo Orange Storm Giga. A game changer in the 3D printing business, the Elegoo Orange Storm Giga boasts an enormous build volume of 800mm by 800m by 1000mm and is poised to produce widespread disruption. For individuals who aren't afraid to dream big, it's a solution. Printing massive models with